Okay? All right. Like I was talking about, some of the tough times are when things change a little bit. And this year, with the pilot board, we had two folks who were put forward. The board at this point, and this is why we've been sort of holding off, letting everybody know this week. I know some other bases have been able to tell. There was 859 that met the board. There were 528 selected, and there were 17 who it came down to, they call it on the bubble, okay? Now those 17, they've left it up to the commanders to make a call. It just so happens that our two folks are in that situation. So what Padre and I have been racking our brains all week, I think, since we heard about this on Friday, and trying to figure out the best way to handle this, because if you look at the scores for the two folks, I think everybody knows we're talking about Cadets Josephson and Bishop. They've got some impressive numbers. You see. GPAs 3.22 cumulative, field training ranked 5 out of 20, 100% on the PFT, AFOQT scores of 92, 93, 93, 75, and 96. And 100 on the PFT, top out of field training, 1 out of 24, and a 3.22 GPA. So you can see how competitive that was. So what we decided was, in order to help make the decision, we needed to go through a little process today. And the first thing, when you guys, if you were able to go, because basically it would probably be one of the two, I'll be honestly, the way the numbers work out. There's a lot of things that are academic in nature. You haven't had my class yet, but in my class, we've talked about chair flying and, sort of like acting through, and, athletes think through things before they're going to go and do it, so we've got a little activity with that. So if I could have you all come up and get a detention, please, because this is basically how it is in pilot training. You get called to attention, you'll have to run through an emergency procedure, okay? All right, and what I want is a paw out for the first one. The first one who can answer the questions, okay? All right, and then you'll get a point, all right? All right, first question. Where does Class A airspace begin?
Sir, the air.
Okay, one for Josephson.
Easier than I thought.
It's actually 18,000 feet or flight level 1 and 2. All right?